Ready for more training? All right, let's do it!
Deal with the wheel!
Ready for more training? Ready for more training? All right. Poor Blobbers. He wandered into this dungeon and got captured. You should probably rescue him, but be warned. You'll have to cross the dreaded Jumper Dome arena first. Then comes the hard part, actually leading him out of here. He's kind of known for making bad decisions.
3, 2, 1, go!
Come to rescue me. I've been in this dungeon so long, I'm completely famished. Could you bring me some food? I couldn't wait any longer and found some food on my own. And it looks like I might have eaten a little too much here. Can you roll me out of this dungeon? That's it! Keep rolling me! Keep rolling me! Corridor. Keep rolling,
1 minute remaining.
Almost there. Yay!
Heroic challenge complete. Excellent job.
That was incredible! Man, major props to you, and please take this reward as a reward.
Bolts and lightning.
What'd I tell you? I said those clouds was evil, and what'd they do? They pulled this sneaky zip-zap trick and took out our engine. We were lucky last time to survive those clouds' evil wrath. What about the next time? What, I ask you? What? I shall probably tell you more bad things about clouds, but as you have witnessed, they can hear things. Everything! What'd I tell you?
Okay, I'm officially freezing here, and that means we've made it to the frozen wasteland. So you're ready to head down and find that robot. Radio, let's get in the lander and think very warm thoughts. Do you think you could have parked your robot in a colder place?
Not a choice in the matter. The thing is haunted. Kept yapping at me, so I got rid of it. It's safe enough. Only thing here are those foul ice ogres, but they're too mushy-headed to figure out how to use it anyway. But it's around here somewhere. You'll find him. That's the thing about giant robots. You always find them.
Ah, that sounds great, and kind of weird. But I think the Skylander can handle this one. I'm gonna hang back and keep Callie warm.
Yeah, all that hot air ought to keep me nice and toasty.
Frigid zombie.
Skylanders of the wastelands are stronger in this zone.
Help! Help! Hey, that was really nice of you. Most people just ignore me. I think because they are afraid of ghosts. I don't mean to bother anyone. I'm just cold and lonely out here. I used to live inside a giant robot. You might even say I was the giant robot. But I was abandoned. Want to see it? Come on, this way. Ah, a giant ice block. Understandable, as it is very cold. But you can melt it. Watch this. Now just rotate the crystal using that lever. You're going to love this.
What are you doing? That block you melted was for the great evil Ice Master! Oh, you'll pay for this!
Uh-oh, we've upset Noodles. The ice ogres think my robot body is their new master ever since I was left here in the cold. It's not evil, or anything, really. Noodles is just crazy.
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone.
Now you're gonna destroy Snowman too? Those were also for the great evil Ice Master! Call it all Snowclopsies! Teach this ice-melting snowman breaker a lesson! Master rises again, you will be punished! You just wait!
Nice going. Hey, it's more frozen blocks.
While Archaeans tend to remember things above and to the side of them, they have a hard time with things physically below them. Odd as that may seem, it does explain why they generally avoid burying the treasure they acquire. Those who do place treasure in spots requiring a drop in elevation almost always forget about it.
Don't worry, you'll get this. Keep moving the crystals. Nice.
Bag of boom.
Uh-oh, more ice ogres. Well done.
That's too easy.
You need a fire...
Cold enough for you out here? Well, I've got just the perfect spot for you to warm up in. I think you'll find it a pleasant change of pace from this icy, frozen freeze place. Ugh. And if you're looking for a new hat, you might just find one in here, too.
Roastin' toast.
Bolts and lightning.
Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
In fuego, chompy.
Don't mind if I do.
Too easy.
Ambush.
Roast and toast.
over.
Skylanders of the water element are stronger in this zone.
Ha! You fell right into my trap! Well, except for the part where you destroyed my gift to the great evil Ice Master. So now you're gonna pay for your mistake!
I'm to die for. Yes!
Crazy ogres. They've made a slippery ice bowl. They do that sometimes. Reminds me of something. Looks like you need to use your own slippery momentum to slide up to the top of the bowl. Nice going. Great sliding.
Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Corner!
Three's the charm. Hey, there it is. My body. Now, we just have to unthaw me. Just use those energy beams. I'll keep an eye out for Noodles. Well done.
Oh, yeah!
Nice job. You activated my body. Now I'll just hop inside.
Master! Master! What have they done to you? It is I, Noodles, your humble servant! What are your evil wishes?
Classic Noodles. Perfect. I now have complete control of my body again. It truly has been a pleasure being your friend. Are we friends now?
Well, here it is. I didn't all.
Have you come here to leave me again? Don't leave. I've been so lonely.
I don't want you near me, but these Skylanders need our help getting into the Archean vault. So quit your belly aching and let's get to it.
Sounds good to me.
Anything to get out of the cold here. I can almost feel my brain freezing up.
Right, almost.
It feels great to be back in my robot body again.
Ah, you're creeping me out. Where I come from, robots don't talk.
But sir, we all talk. And I'm nothing to be afraid of. I only want to help my new best friends.
Now that all that's settled, can you take the Skylander to the Archean vault before chaos gets there?
Yes, it will be a pleasure. As soon as the captain gives the word, we can go.